Hey, what's up, man? Going to Neil Red. Let's do this.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Neil Red, homeboy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Billy, if you're watching this,
You want to play Fortnite?
do you want to play Fortnite? Too scared to go down, man. I'm scared. Look at it. Steep hill. I'm just kidding.
Ninja style.
Let's go. Ninja style. I'm gonna go for a swim. Quick, thumb. I'm gonna clean my feet. Wait, gonna have, man. 3. One more. Billy, if you're watching this, try to beat it. Or one of your subscribers. 5. Quick set. Big rock back. Yeah. 1. I'm scared. Just kidding. Fortnite forever.
I will destroy the stuff.
Billy would be like, Pokemon! Eliza, what are you doing? Eliza, what are you doing? I don't even know what he's doing, man. Are we the tower no Tsakuno?
Nandi?
Maybe. The red one? The big one.
Uh-huh.
Let's go! Till next time, friends. Just kidding. Ta-da! Big top, they call it, but I call it tower. Big top. Fortnite campo.
Pickaxe!
Where's my pickaxe? This is where I make fire,
That's what
tell stories.
I see.
I'm just kidding. Ah. Hoi. Hoi. I wonder who that is.
No.
Mom? You just call somebody mom. Hi, mom. I bet they'd be like, they're making a video. Anyways, you guys want to go back or what do you guys want to do?
Play Fortnite. Holy lightning!
Holy lightning? Holy.
That's so big.
Holy. Quick though. Let's roll. This is the church. This is where people pray. All those seeds. So yeah, man, we're going back to Fox.